don't get connection. That would appear to be some snow up there in that valley. The temperature here is probably isn't different, but it's very pleasant standing outside. A little bit later on, different views from the mountains that are supposed to be some sun in the mountains over there. And it says there's some dolphin following you. So dolphin are known to ride bow waves. Maybe they will ride waves. We're at breakfast, just watching Alaska go by. We have mountains with snow. Very impressive breakfast scenery.